Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Yeshu. Today we have selected one of the most famous, popular and most of them favorite shloka, stotram. This one is, which is sung by Yesudas ji. Yes, the shloka is for Ayyappa, Harivarasanam. Yes, so this will be the stotram that we are going to learn today. Before starting, as I always talk about the pronunciation guide, you can see the picture that I have attached here, the pronunciation guide, because I will be using a different kind of a lyrics which is quite different from what you find in the internet over there. So I'll give you the glimpse of it. If you find the letter bold in my lyrics, please make sure that you have to press or stress the letter. If you find the line on the top of the letter, make sure you have to extend. So there will be few capital letter like a N, L and SH. So N, L and Sh. So N, again we have a two different kind of pronunciation. N, N. So wherever you find capital N, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Wherever you find capital L, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate like a La. Kala, Kala. SH. Sh. Shiva, very simple pronunciation, and Shat, Shanmukha. So that is a capital SH. So these are the few pronunciation differences. I hope this will be helpful for you for the continuous journey with me in learning shloka. You can also look into the pronunciation guide. If you find any differences, if you find any confusion, please do let me know in the comment section. Let's start with our very famous stotram. We'll start with the Harivarasanam. The first stanza, you can find the lyrics on the side. Harivarasanam. Harivarasanam. So in between, we will be adding Swami here. So just to go with the tune, Harivarasanam Swami. Yes. So we will be adding a Swami. You won't find that in the lyrics, but make sure that you will add it along with me. Harivarasanam Swami. Vishwamohanam. Second line, Harida Dhishwaram. Second dhi stress. Harida Dhishwaram. Swami Aradhya dha stress. Padukam. Third line, Ari. So the first two is a Hari. The third one is a Ari. Your jaw will get involved here. Ari Vimardhanam. Swami Nitya Nartanam. The fourth line remains same in every stanza. Hari Haratmajam. Hari Haratmajam. Hari Hara Atma. Hari Haratmajam. Swami Deva Mashraye. Okay, so with the tune, I'll take it at the end. I'll repeat once again. Harivarasanam. Swami Vishwamohanam. Harida Dhishwaram. Swami Aradhya Padukam. A. Arivimardhanam. A. Swami Nitya Nartanam. Ha. Hariharatmajam. Swami Deva Mashraye. Here we complete the first stanza. We'll go to the second stanza. So after this, you can go with Sharanamayappa. Swami Sharanamayappa. Sharanamayappa, Swami Sharanamayappa. This I will teach you in the tune. I'm not that great singer. Please, sorry for my mispronunciation or the swara, raga, all those things. Please apologize for that. We'll go with the second stanza. Sharana, Sharana. Yan capital, tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Sharana, Kirtanam. Swami. Bhakta Manasam, bha stress. Bhakta Manasam. Second line. Bharana, bha stress. Na, tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Bharana Lolupam. Swami. Nartanalasam. Na, here simple one. Nartanalasam. Aruna, Aruna. Na, tongue tip has to touch upper palate. N is in a capital. Aruna Bhasuram, bha stress. Bhutanayakam, bhu stress. Fourth line remains the same. Okay, I'll repeat. Sharana Kirtanam Swami Bhakta Manasam. Bharana Lolupam Swami Nartanalasam. Aruna Bhasuram Swami Bhutanayakam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Here we complete the second stanza. We'll go with the third stanza. Pranaya Satyakam. Pranaya N capital, tongue tip passage upper palate. Pranaya Satyakam. Swami Prananayakam. Again Prana N capital. Prananayakam. Pranata. Again N capital. Pranata Kalpakam. Swami Suprabhanchitam. Bhastress Suprabhanchitam. Third line. Pranava, again wherever you have a pranava in the third stanza, make sure N is in a capital, your tongue tip touches upper palate. Pranava Mandiram, Swami Kirtanapriyam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat. Pranaya Satyakam, Swami Prananayakam. Pranata Kalpakam, Swami Suprabhanchitam. Pranava Mandiram, Swami Kirtanapriyam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Here we complete the third stanza. We'll go to the fourth one. Turagavahanam Swami Turagavahanam Swami Sundarananam Sundarananam. Varagadayudham. The stress Varaga plus Ayudha. Varagadayudham Swami Veda Varnitam. Varni. Ni tongue tip has to chapa pale. N is in a capital. Varnitam. Guru Krupakaram. Guru Krupakaram. Swami Kirtanapriyam. Guru Krupakaram. Swami Kirtanapriyam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat once again. Turagavahanam. Swami Sundarananam. Varagadayudam. Varagadayudham. Swami Veda Varnitam. Guru Krupakaram. Swami Kirtanapriyam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Here we complete the fourth stanza. If you find I'm going little faster, you can just go one speed down in the playback speed. In the setting you have a playback speed, just decrease the speed there. Okay, I'll go with the fifth stanza. Tribhuvanarchitam. Tribhu, bhu stress. Tribhuvana plus architam. Tribhuvanarchitam. Swami Devatatmakam. Devata plus Atmakam. Devatatmakam. Trinayana Prabhum. Trinayana Prabhum. Bhu stress. Swami Divya Deshikam. Third line. Tridasha Pujitam. Tridasha Pujitam. Swami Chintita Pradam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat once again. Tribhuvanarchitam. Swami Devatatmakam. Trinayana Prabhum. Swami Divya Deshikam. Tridasha Pujitam. Swami Chintita Pradam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Here we complete the fifth stanza. We'll go with the sixth one. Here everywhere, the ba needs to be stressed. And repeat. Bhava bha stress. Bhayapaham bha stress. Bhava bhayapaham. Bhava bhayapaham. Swami Bhavukavakam. Bhavukavakam. Bhuvana Mohanam. Bhu stress. Bhuvana Mohanam. Swami Bhuti. Bhu stress. Bhushanam. Bhu again stress. If you observe sh, yes in a capital. So do not say Bhushanam. Bhushanam. Okay? It will become a little difficult. You will understand. Third line. Dhavala. The stress. Dhavala. La L should be in a capital. Please do correct it. Dhavala Mohanam. Your tongue tip will touch upper palate when you pronounce a L. Dhavala Vahanam. Dhavala Vahanam. Swami Divya Varanam. Varanam N in a capital. Tongue tip past stretch upper palate. Fourth line remains same. I'll repeat once again. Bhava Bhayapaham. Swami Bhavukavakam. Bhuvana Mohanam. Swami Bhuti Bhushanam. Dhavala Vahanam. Swami Divyavaranam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Here we complete the 6th stanza. We'll go with the 7th one. Kala Mruddu Smitam. Kala, L capital, tongue tip will touch upper palate. Kala Mrudu Smitam. Kala Mrudu Smitam. Swami Sundarananam. This word is repeated, you know. Kalaba Komalam. Kalaba, L tongue tip will touch upper palate. Bha stress. Kalaba Komalam. Swami Gatra Mohanam. Gatra Mohanam. Again, Kalaba, wherever Kalaba comes, L will touch upper palate of your mouth. Kalabha Kesari. Kalabha Kesari. Swami Vajivahanam. 4th line remains same. We'll take it once again. Kalamrudusmitam Swami Sundarananam. Kalabhakomalam Swami Gatramohanam. Kalabhakesari Swami Vajivahanam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Here we complete the 7th stanza. We'll go to the 8th one and the last stanza of this Harivarasanam. Shrita Janapriyam. Shrita Janapriyam. Swami Chintitapradam. Chintitapradam. Shruti Vibhushanam. Vibhu, bhu stress. Sh, yes in a capital. Yan in a capital. Your tongue tip will touch upper palate. Observe all the things in a one place. Okay. Shruti Vibhushanam. Swami Sadhu Jeevanam. Sadhu, do stress. Sadhu Jeevanam. Shruti Vibhushanam. Swami Sadhu Jeevanam. Shruti Manoharam. Shruti Manoharam. Swami Geeta Lalasam. 4th line remains same. We'll repeat once again. Shrita Jana Priyam. Swami Chintita Pradam. Shruti Vibhushanam. Swami Sadhu Jeevanam. Shruti Manoharam. Swami Geeta Lalasam. Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. At the end, you can again repeat Sharanamayappa, Swami Sharanamayappa, Sharanamayappa, Swami Sharanamayappa. Now let's take with the tune completely. Just a second. Most of them we know the tune, but I won't be taking with the same tune of Yesudas ji because it is I'm not so good with the music. I'll try to keep the same tune for every stanza, so that hope that will be easy for everyone as well. So this Harivarasanam is also called as a Hariharatmaja Ashtakam. So I'm completely new for this. If anyone can confirm with this, it would be really nice. Okay, so let's start with the complete recitation. Harivarasanam Swami Vishwamohanam Haridadishwaram Aradhya Padukam Harivimaddanam Swami Nityanartanam Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa. Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa. Sharanakirtanam Swami Bhaktamanasam Bharanalolupam Swami Nartanalasam Arunabasuram Swami Bhutanayakam Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa. Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa. Pranaya Satyakam Swami Prananayakam Pranatakalpakam Swami Suprabhanchitam Pranavamandiram Swami Kirtanapriyam Hariharatmajam Swami Devamashraye. Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa. Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa. Turagavahanam Swami Sundarananam Varagadayudam Swami Vedavarnitam गुरुकृपाकरं स्वामी कीर्तनप्रियं हरिहरात्मजं स्वामी देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा त्रिभुवनार्चितं स्वामी देवतात्मकं त्रिनयनप्रभुं स्वामी दिव्यदेशिकं त्रिदशपूजितं स्वामी चिन्तितप्रदं हरिहरात्मजं स्वामी देवमाश्रये भवभयापहं स्वामी भावुकावकं भुवनमोहनं स्वामी भूतिभूषणं धवळवाहनं स्वामी दिव्यवारणं हरिहरात्मजं स्वामी देवमाश्रये कळमृदुस्मितं स्वामी सुन्दराननं कळभकोमलं स्वामी गात्रमोहनं कळभकेसरी स्वामी वाजिवाहनं हरिहरात्मजं स्वामी देवमाश्रये श्रितजनप्रियं स्वामी चिन्तितप्रदं श्रुतिविभूषणं स्वामी साधुजीवनं श्रुतिमनोहरं स्वामी गीतलालसं हरिहरात्मजं स्वामी देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा. Here we complete the Ayyappa Stotram Harivarasanam, the famous one. I hope it was comfortable for you to take it with the tune. You can in between add the Sharanamayappa, which is it will be comfortable for you, however you find it comfortable. If you have any doubts, any question, please do let me know in the comment section. If you find anywhere the corrections, please do let me know. That will be completely by mistaken. It will be unintentional mistakes, so my sincere apologies for that one. If you have anything such, please do let me know in the comment section. So in the one more stotram very soon, please share this with your friends if they want to learn. Share it among them, and you have a playlist, the complete stotram shloka playlist I'll leave at the end of the video, where you can learn a different the other deity stotram as well. Thank you so much. See you in one more video. Namaskar.